Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to freeze panes in Excel. And what I mean by that, this is a common question that I get, but what I mean is when you have a list of things up here like this, so we have the days of the week, but we scroll down and they disappear. We want to learn how to keep those locked in. And it's really easy, and I'm going to show you right now. So what you do is you go up to your tabs up here and you click on View, and you go to the show, not the show, you go over here to the window and you'll see this little thing that says Freeze Panes, and you click the drop down and you can see you have a couple of options. You can select rows or columns to freeze. You can freeze just the top row, or you can freeze just the first column. So in this case we want to freeze just the top row, so we'll go ahead and click that. And if you look closely, just show you right here, you can see a little line underneath this first row, and that shows you that that row is frozen. And as I scroll down, you'll notice that even if I scroll all the way down here to row 44, my first row is still locked in. And that can be so important when you're working with huge data sets and you're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, to keep that visible so you don't have to keep scrolling back up and scrolling back down, scrolling back up to see those. It's also really important to know how to turn them off, because a lot of times you'll have somebody who did something funky with freeze panes and you'll want to turn it off. And to turn it off, all you do is go to here and you'll notice it says unfreeze. It still shows the freeze top row, which is what I clicked before, but then you're going to just click unfreeze and that's going to unfreeze them. So now when I scroll, they disappear, just like before. Alright, so that's how to freeze your panes in Excel. Hope that helps you a little bit. If you like this video and you want to learn more from me, please click on one of the links down in the description and you can take one of my full mastery courses for beginners. They're really easy to follow. I get really good feedback and reviews on them because it helps people who generally struggle to learn Excel, like I did when I started out, to really get good at Excel. Also, like the channel, subscribe to the channel. Glad to have you here, and I'll see you soon.